In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk unsubscribe and delete Gmail emails. If your inbox has gotten out of control with newsletters, promotions, and random subscriptions, this walkthrough will help you clean things up quickly and safely. We'll focus on using tools that are already built into Gmail, so you don't need to install anything extra or share your account with third-party services. Start by opening Gmail in your browser and signing into the account you want to clean up. It's usually easier to manage bulk actions on a computer rather than on a phone, because you can see more on screen and access all the filtering options. At the top of your inbox, you'll see a search bar. This is your main tool for finding groups of emails you can delete in one go. For example, type unsubscribe into the search bar and press enter. Almost every promotional email and newsletter includes the word unsubscribe in the footer, so this instantly pulls up a big chunk of the mail you probably don't need. Once those results load, look at the top left of the message list and click the small checkbox to select all the emails on that page. If Gmail detects that there are more emails in the results than just those visible, you'll see a message like, "Select all conversations that match this search." Click that link so you're truly selecting everything that matches, not just the first page. Now, you can press the trash icon to delete them in bulk. Don't worry if that feels scary. Gmail moves them to the trash folder first, where they'll stay for 30 days before being permanently removed. If you realize you deleted something important, you can still recover it from trash during that time. To get rid of specific senders you never want to hear from again, open one of their emails. Near the top, next to the sender address, you'll often see an unsubscribe link that Gmail highlights. Click that and confirm. This tells the sender to stop emailing you going forward, which reduces future clutter. You can also search by sender using the search bar. Type from, followed by part of the email address or name. Then select all and delete those messages the same way. Repeat this for newsletters and brands you no longer care about. Finally, take a few minutes to unsubscribe from new unwanted emails as they arrive. Handling them right away prevents your inbox from building up again and keeps things manageable over time.